right, so I assume that you have read this problem. If not, then you can pause and read it. I found a figure that's closely similar to what this situation is in your problem. Okay, so you have a communications tower located at the top of a hill. So you have that tower. The angle of inclination of the hill is 57 degrees. So this is 57 degrees. That's the angle of inclination with the horizontal. A guide wire, this is your guide wire right here, is attached to the top of the tower to the ground. So this is attached to this ground, and 150 meters downhill from the base to where it is attached, and that's 152. Okay. The angle formed by the guide wire. So I assume this when they say formed by the guide wire, I'm assuming guide wire with the ground and not with the tower. Okay, so that's my assumption. And this is 17 degrees. All right. So, okay, so find length of the cable. So this is how long is this cable. Okay, so if we were gonna complete, we need to find, we need to use sine law for this one. Okay, so we need to find using this triangle formed by the guide wire, tower, and the ground. Let's find the other angles. So if this is 57, if we draw another horizontal line that's parallel to this dotted line, then that means this angle right here is going to be also 57. Right, this is also going to be 57 degrees because of corresponding angles with parallel lines. Okay, now if we draw a line from the top of, oops, okay, I'll need a straight line. Now if we draw a line from the top of the tower all the way 90 degrees perpendicular to the ground. Okay, so that's gonna be 90 degrees. Okay, now what we want is this area, right, this triangle right here for now. Okay, all right, that's wrong again. I need a straight line. Okay, so we want this triangle right there. Okay, okay, so now this is 90 and that's 57. So therefore this angle is gonna be 180 minus 90 minus 57, which is gonna be equal to 33 degrees. Now, why do we want that? Because if we get this, then we can get this other angle, this one right here. So these two angles they make a straight line. So this is gonna be 180 minus 33, which is 147 degrees. Okay, so if that's 147, you have this upper triangle. So you have a triangle that looks like this, right? Wherein this is 17 degrees, this is now 147. So therefore we can get this angle right there. So you can do 180 minus 147 minus 17, and that's going to be 16 degrees. Okay, so if we transfer these dimensions, this is going to be 16, this is x, and this is 152. So therefore we can do sine law, wherein it says a over sine of the angle across side A equals b over sine of the angle across side B equals c over sine of the angle across side C. Okay, so let's color code this. So 16 degrees, that's across 152, and then x is across 147, right? And we don't really need a 17 because we don't really have, this is not being asked and we don't have any dimension there. So from there we can say, if let's pick one side, we want x, right? So we can say x over sine of the angle across side x is 147 degrees equals 152 over sine 16. Now if we cross multiply that, we will have x times sine 16 equals 152 times sine of 147. Okay, solving for x, we divide it by sine 16. You divide this one by sine 16. Okay, I can't even spell sine. Okay, so sine 16. So therefore, whatever is the just use your calculator, solve this one, and once you get that, then whatever is the answer will be the answer.